Stop using big banks. 3 Michigan credit unions offering better rates. One Michigan credit union pays 7% on its checking account, where most big banks give you just 0.01%. That's not marketing hype, it's DFCU Financial's actual rate right now. I'm comparing DFCU, MSU, FCU, and Lake Michigan Credit Union on mortgages, auto loans, and everyday banking, so you can see exactly who's got the best deal for you. The big bank reality check. Here's the part that most people miss about banking in Michigan. Big banks answer to shareholders, so every dollar they squeeze from you in fees or lower interest goes to people who don't even live anywhere near you. Credit unions are member-owned, so profits come back to you as better rates and lower fees. Your savings account at a national bank probably earns 0 to 0.5%, while DFCU pays 7% on qualifying checking, and MSU-FCU offers well over 3% on savings. Car loans at dealers routinely run 6.5 to 8%, but credit unions start under 5. A typical $300,000 mortgage around Lansing or Grand Rapids, half a point lower saves you about $90 to $100 every single month. Over 30 years, that's more than 30 grand in your pocket instead of the banks. That gap is real, and DFCU is closing it with 7% on your checking account. DFCU's Financial is the high-yield heavyweight. DFCU Financial is based in Dearborn, and they have branches across Metro Detroit, Grand Rapids, Lansing, and Ann Arbor. They started out serving Ford employees decades ago, and over time they've grown into one of Michigan's largest credit unions. In 2024, they even acquired 2 banks in Florida, which shows they're not some tiny shop running on a shoestring. The headline at DFCU is their premium cashback checking. Most checking accounts pay you nothing, where DFCU's premium cashback checking pays 7%. And that's not a teaser rate. That drops after a month. It's an actual deal as of June 2026. The catch is the requirements. You need 10 debit transactions per month, e-documents, enrollment, and a $500 direct deposit every month. Hit those marks and you're earning 7% in your checking balance. But miss them and the rate drops. Most working families hit those marks without thinking about it. DFCU's auto loan rates start at 4.9% if you set up automatic payments from a DFCU account. Without auto pay, it's 5.2 to 5.4%. Members can also earn cash back on their mortgage balances because DFCU services loans internally instead of selling them off. Home equity loans start at 6.49%, and their 6-month certificates pay up to 4%. Southeast Michigan families looking for a checking account that pays something should give DFCU a hard look. Make sure you're comfortable hitting those monthly transaction requirements. And DFCU's checking rate is the headline, but mortgages and auto loans are where MSU-FCU has been quietly saving people millions. MSU-FCU, the Lansing powerhouse. MSU Federal Credit Union is headquartered in Lansing, but you don't need to be a Michigan State student or professor to join because a credit union has opened up to much broader communities across the state. Home buyers should pay close attention to MSU-FCU's mortgage rates. Their 30-year fixed starts at 6.25%, and their 15-year starts at 5.75%. Compare that to the national average, and the difference is obvious. In a standard home loan, that half point saves you thousands over the life of the loan. MSU-FCU keeps loans in-house too, so you won't get bounced around by out-of-state call center when you have questions. Auto loans at MSU-FCU start at 4.99% for terms up to 36 months. Their Visa Platinum credit card starts at 9.9%. What stands out is that so far in 2026, MSU-FCU has saved its members nearly $3 million in loan interest just by refinancing high-rate loans from other lenders. That's money back in Michiganders' pockets. Some business owners should pay attention here too. MSU-FCU's business auto loans start at 6.29%. And they restrict businesses lending to Michigan companies with Michigan collateral. Your money stays in the state economy when you bank with them. Your savings builder account earns 3.45%, and certificates go up to 4% on longer terms. Home buyers, refinancers, and small businesses owners in Michigan should all put MSU FCU near the top of their shortlist because the rates beat the big banks without any question. Their local focus means you're not just a number at a national database. MSU FCU covers the state, but West Michigan still has one more player with rates just as competitive. LMCU, West Michigan's best deal. Lake Michigan Credit Union runs a show in West Michigan. If you live anywhere from Muskegon to Kalamazoo to Lansing to Grand Haven, the LMSU is your nearest local credit union. They've been around for decades with a focus on neighborhoods and community investment instead of some national expansion plan. Their max checking account earns 4% on your first $15,000. National banks pay you nothing for the same cash. That limit covers the full emergency fund for plenty of households. LMCU offers max savings with tiered rates, balances from $100,000 up to just under $100,000, earn 1.75%. From $250,000 up, it's just under $1 million. The rate is 3.25%. 9-month certificates hit 4% with the VIP bonus. LMCU's auto loans start at 5.74% for new vehicles with the auto pay discount. Their Prime Platinum Visa comes in at 9.75%. LMCU's whole pitch boils down to their tagline: you'll pay less for your mortgage than your auto loan, and everything else. West Michigan families who want a checking account that grows while they spend should give LMCU a close look. The 4% on checking alone covers most families' entire emergency fund. And you got 3 solid credit unions to choose from now, and now the only question left is whether you can join them. The membership question. So you might be wondering who can even join these credit unions. Membership is easier than you'd expect. DFCU serves residents of several Michigan counties, plus certain employer groups. MSU FCU started at Michigan State, but now serves much wider communities. LMCU serves West Michigan communities with a $5 membership. All 3 are federally insured by the NCUA. You can visit thousands of partner credit union branches nationwide if you travel. The real barrier isn't whether you qualify, it's whether you'll pick up the phone and make the switch. In conclusion, Michigan credit unions beat big banks on rates, fees, and local service. Pick the credit union in your region. Compare your current rates. Make the switch before your next mortgage or auto payment. In the next video, I'm breaking down 3 Michigan cities where home prices are dropping in 2026.